Hi, I'm Chandanni, and I actually took the course with Yay, and I'm so happy that I did because there's a lot of things that I did not know at all. And one thing that I really, really appreciate is that she really maps out things for you. And even if you don't do any of her online courses, like I feel like with just the information that I received within the first 2 weeks was just amazing and something that definitely puts me on a pedestal to start building my brand and building what I want to do in life. And yeah, I would say if you're questioning it, don't. It's really good and she makes it really easy and you can ask as many questions as you like. And she definitely talks through a lot of things and she's super open to helping in any way that she can. And coming from someone that went to FITM and spent a lot of money, there are some things that I never ever was even talked to about certain things when it came to business and when it comes to creating a brand, creating a business. And thanks to her, now I have some extra added tools that I can actually use and feel a little more stronger going into the industry. So, yeah, I'd say do it. She's a great teacher and she definitely knows her steps. So, yes.